It's very difficult to be raised by a stepmother. Stepmothers, they can pretend like they love your kids in front of you, or they love your child. But after you are at work, they start abusing your child because you are not there. So sometimes as a man, it's better to ask your child sometimes, or you are the two of you, you ask your child, what's going on with your stepmother? She is treating you well. You know that a child is not being treated well. You can saw that child is not being treated well when you are not around. Because guys, stepmother can't beat your child in front of you as a man. But you know, when you are not around, guys, stepmother, most of them, they can abuse your child. They abuse, guys. We don't want to lie, you know. So sometimes it's better to ask your daughter or your son, especially those girl child. I think boys are better than girls, especially when you have got a girl child. A girl child can be abused by a stepmother than a boy child. Boy kids, they don't allow those things. So sometimes when you have got a girl child as a father, ask your daughter what's going on between you and your stepmother. Because kids, guys, maybe they are in fear to talk in front of their stepmothers, because they fear that their stepmothers, they can beat them. Guys, I don't understand what's going on with stepmothers, the way they have. But when you have got your wife who is treating your child like very good, you are very lucky. Because most of them, guys, when you are not around, they abusing your kids. Guys, we don't want to lie, as there is no, guys, woman who can treat another woman's child 100% like her kids. Especially that woman, she have got her own kids, she can treat her own kids differently than your child, you understand. Especially stepmother who came with her kids, and maybe you meet together, you have got your child and she have got her own child. The way she treats her child now, she looks like maybe she is now the owner of that compound. And that woman, she came with her child, but now they want to treat your child as someone, you understand it. So sometimes, guys, it's better to ask your child sometimes to go out with your girl child, and you ask your child what's going on with your stepmother. Because now that child is look like she is a stranger now. It's at her father's compound, because of the stepmother who came with her child or with her kids now. Her kids now, they are look like they are now queens now at that compound. So sometimes as a man, you have to ask your daughter than to keep quiet.